Keeping $1,000 in a traditional bank account results in an active loss of wealth over time. Inflation erodes your purchasing power every year. It means your money buys less food, less gas, and less freedom. Turning $1,000 into a passive income machine requires a systematic three-step approach. This strategy works even for those with zero experience, using practical methods that replace complicated jargon with clear results. Step 1 addresses the most common beginner mistake: leaving cash in a standard savings account. Most traditional banks pay roughly 0.01% interest. Over an entire year, $1,000 in that account generates exactly 10 cents in returns. This shows the difference between a standard rate and a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. Many high-yield accounts pay 4% annually. That same $1,000 generates $40 to $50 per year in an HYSA, while remaining safe and accessible. A high-yield account serves as a strategic parking spot for your cash. It provides the safety layer and financial foundation needed before moving into more aggressive investments. This account functions as your emergency fund. Having this cash accessible ensures you never have to sell your long-term investments during a market downturn to cover an unexpected expense. Establishing this safety layer is the absolute first action required before taking on any market risk. Step 2 introduces the primary engine for long-term growth: index funds. Investing all your capital into a single successful company is risky. If you pick one stock, like Apple, and that specific company crashes, your wealth crashes with it. The same danger applies to other major targets, like Amazon or Microsoft. An index fund provides instant diversification. One purchase gives you small pieces of hundreds of top companies. The S&P 500 is the benchmark, tracking the 500 largest U.S. companies. Historically, it averages roughly 10% annual returns. While historical averages are strong, the market remains volatile in the short term. Panic often drives emotional decision-making on the trading floor. Long-term patience triggers the power of compounding. This process occurs when your investment returns begin to generate their own returns, accelerating your growth over time. Successful investors prioritize time in the market over trying to perfectly time market drops. Monumental wealth comes from consistent, boring investments rather than singular, lucky trades. Step 3 addresses emotional reactions. Beginners often lose money because they panic when markets fall and become greedy when they rise. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is the strategy used to neutralize these emotional errors. DCA involves setting a recurring investment amount. This automation provides a mathematical advantage. When prices dip, your fixed deposit automatically purchases more shares. Over time, this hands-off approach yields a portfolio while reducing stress. Consistency does the heavy lifting for you. Automation enforces a disciplined background habit. It makes wealth building systematic. There is one golden rule to follow for this strategy to remain effective. Never mix your emergency funds with your market investments. The safety layer you built in Step 1 must remain separate to protect you from financial crises. Real financial freedom is earned through small, repeated actions over years. It is a result of discipline, not overnight gambles. You do not need to be rich to start investing, but you do need to start if you want to become rich. Subscribe to Finance Decoded MB for more simplified financial education. I'll see you in the next video.